Hello. First, let me say this: you are important, and the fact that you're here, watching this video, shows that you care about becoming the best version of yourself. That's amazing, and I'm here to help you on that journey. Let's dive into the exciting topic of how to look more attractive, a goal everyone can achieve with the right mindset and tools. How to look more attractive. Did you know that the first 7 seconds are all it takes to make a lasting impression? According to psychologist Amy Cuddy, people judge you on two things when they first meet you: warmth and competence. So, to boost your attractiveness, start by radiating warmth through your smile and body language. People are drawn to those who make them feel good. How to make yourself more attractive. Here's a fact: confidence is incredibly attractive. It's not about how you look, it's about how you feel. Studies by Dr. Albert Mehrabian show that 93% of communication is nonverbal. So, if you want to know how to make yourself more attractive, focus on exuding confidence in every situation. Stand tall, make eye contact, and remember, you are important. How to look more attractive for beaux. If you're wondering how to look more attractive for beaux, here's a tip. It's all in the way you carry yourself. Beaux are naturally drawn to confidence and positivity. Your body language says more than words ever could. Keep an open posture, smile often, and show genuine interest in the people around you. It's that simple. How to make yourself attractive. Let's talk about the basics. Grooming. How to make yourself attractive starts with feeling good in your own skin. Keep your hair healthy, your skin glowing, and your personal hygiene on point. Celebrities like Rihanna and Zendaya swear by consistent grooming routines, and it's a habit that will never go out of style. How to look more attractive for Halloween. With Halloween just around the corner, it's the perfect time to experiment with your style. Whether you're going for spooky or stunning, remember that the most attractive thing you can wear is confidence. Be bold, have fun, and rock whatever look makes you feel amazing. After all, you are important, and this Halloween is the perfect opportunity to show the world how confident and attractive you truly are. Thank you for watching. Remember, you're already beautiful, and these tips are just to help you feel even better about yourself. You deserve it.